Millions of people struggle with chronic illnesses and degenerative disorders. But what if the answer lies within the human body itself? Stem cell therapy brings new hope, offering restoration for damaged tissues and healthier organ function. Stem cells are unique because they can develop into specialized cells. They act as building blocks, repairing tissues and preserving overall health. Among the most important are mesenchymal and adult stem cells, both showing remarkable potential in medical research and therapy. Stem cells, drawn from bone marrow or fat tissues, are introduced into injured areas. They transform into repair cells, reduce inflammation, and aid healing. Therapy shows promise in treating neurological disorders, autoimmune conditions, orthopedic injuries, and even heart diseases. It is less invasive than surgery, customizable for each patient, speeds recovery, reduces dependency on drugs, and holds potential against diseases once thought incurable. Research is now exploring stem cells for Alzheimer's, heart problems, and even full organ regeneration. The possibilities are expanding every day. In India, cities like Delhi are leading stem cell research and treatments, making advanced therapies more accessible to patients worldwide. Global stem cell care provides expert advice and advanced regenerative treatments. Begin your journey toward a healthier tomorrow today.